Yes, and she's clear of cancer.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, this says reel number 2, number 1 vacation 1940. Does that look in focus?
Yeah.
It could be maybe touched up a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't get real sharp. That looks okay.
That's better. Ooh!
Engines. Hiawatha. Yeah. Something cruises? Is that Frank?
That's Frank.
Now, where are we?
Oh, is that the White House?
Yeah, it's the
Sure.
White House.
There's
Yeah,
the
I guess
Washington
so.
Monument. Is it finished?
Yeah,
Is
you know
it
it.
leaking?
Oh, that's where it changes color. I
Yeah,
see.
you know it's different colors in the way, but it doesn't look as white as it's supposed to look.
No,
It's
it sure
definitely
doesn't.
the Washington Monument.
That must be Lincoln.
Roosevelt, isn't it?
The archives of
Oh.
the National Archives.
I never heard about them going to Washington D.C. Obviously, they did.
They did.
It's the capital.
Well, that looks more like the Lincoln Memorial.
Yeah, could be.
DC-3.
And these were the big jetliners when Frank was working, right?
Well, they weren't jets, but
Well, you know what I mean. Those are
The big ones.
the bigger passenger planes.
that's the DC-3. American Airlines.
Is that Lucy?
No, I don't think she was a stewardess.
When they'd come to visit us in Fort Dodge, it was like they came from a different world.
Oh yeah, the world.
Yeah.
Eastern Airlines. The Great Silver Fleet.
They have control lines attached to them.
Oh, wow.
Strand. Where's the Strand? Okay. It's a famous building.
Oh, well, this is Times Square.
I was going to say it could be Times Square.
Yeah.
They got around, didn't they? Wrigley's. A flavor lasts. Chevrolet and Planters and Coca-Cola. Some better whiskey.
And soldiers getting off the plane.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they went to the World's Fair.
Oh yeah, the World's Fair in New York.
The head of the fair. Oh, that's why it's
These were the movies that I emailed the Smithsonian about, and they were interested in them. So maybe at some point, once we get them dumped down, would you object to the original reels being donated?
To the Smithsonian.
Yeah, they were interested in them. I mean,
interested enough to ask, respond and say, do they smell like vinegar?
Yeah, there's Frank. What's that?
Nuclear power plant.
Early at Epcot.
Really, Epcot? No, I don't think so. Here's Frank.
No, where are we?
Ooh, what is that?
Oh, it's like Disney World.
It does look like Disney World.
But it didn't exist.
I know.
What year did he say?
It said 40 on the reel.
Okay. I'm not placing this at all.
DuPont.
Well, maybe this is still the World's Fair.
I think it's still
it
the World's
is.
Fair because
Yeah.
all the
Sure,
look
there's
at all
the
the buildings
people
and the
that- yeah.
extravagance.
Different, yeah,
and,
the different businesses.
yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Niagara Falls
For its,
Pavilion.
yeah, for its time, that was probably huge. Yeah, this has got to be the World's Fair with all those different
Yeah.
companies.
I think the Disney company was there.
Well, if it is the World's Fair, we can do some research on that and figure out year and stuff.
Yeah, there's probably lots of photos and stuff online about the 1940 World's Fair. It was
Yeah.
in New York?
Well, that's what we could find
It's
out.
noisy.
I mean, I think so, but
And I think Geta went out to it too, because there's stuff in the pictures, the still pictures.
oh, that's right. Yeah. Well, maybe Geta's in here somewhere.
Must have been hard for Mom, for him to have such a grand life, and she had so little.
Ah, yeah. Frank was definitely the star of the family,
Yeah.
and all thanks to a mail order course.
Yep.
How did he make his money?
He got his college degree totally by mail.
In accounting.
Huh.
And then he became an accountant for Pan Am Airlines,
Yeah.
and he traveled all over the country and
All over the world.
all over the world.
Audited books.
Yeah. He was a smart guy and he was a hard worker.
And he invested his money at a good broker. He called every single morning. Oh,
Czechoslovakia.
With a hyphen.
Yeah.
Well, at first it was called the Czechoslovak Republic. And I just found a picture of the statue that I took of the first president of the Czechoslovak Republic.
Huh. Well, this is back at the World's Fair, I think. I think we just stayed overnight,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
and this is the next day. Oh,
It must be like National Cash Register.
NCR.
Yeah. Nice dancing.
Do a triple Lux. Woo! Oh! Barrel jumping.
yeah. On a really tiny rink.
Yeah.
No room for error there.
Kick
What's
off
that?
Something just dropped. It's okay.
Is that you?
I knocked something over. I don't know what it
Yeah.
was.
Frank apparently liked ice shows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I guess it's still the fair.
It's a huge, huge fair.
Oh, looks like some flooding.
With the Empire State Building?
Oh, no.
No.
It might have been Ellis Island. I don't know.
And we're back
It's
at
all
the fair.
jumbled up, isn't it? Boxers.
Boxing kitties. That's hilarious.
That's National Cash Register at night. How about
Oh, I guess it is.
Yeah.
Cha-ching. Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Pretty good pictures of them, actually. And that's it.
Lights.